Consider the function g of x equal this one. List the s value where g of x is not continuous and classify its type of discontinuity. Write the intervals over which the function g of x is continuous. Right? So we need to find the value of s where the function is not continuous first, right? So I need to factor the numerator and denominator, right? So I have g of s equals, right? On the top of here, I'm going to use s method, right? I need to put -4 on the top and 3 on the bottom, right? This one is c, this one is b. You need to find 2 integers multiply equal -40 add up to 3. It's going to be 8 and -5, right? So on the top it should be s plus 8 times s minus 5. Now the bottom, I'm going to use another s method, right? I put c equal -10 and b equals -3. I need to find 2 integers that multiply equals -10 add up -3, which is -5 and 2, right? So I have s minus 5 times s plus 2, right? If you want to review the old concept about factoring polynomial, please check out the link in the description below. Alright, so I'm gonna cancel out this guy and this guy. So I have s plus 8 over s plus 2, right? So you see that the whole, which means s equals 5, right? Now you need to classify each type of discontinuity. So you have the removable discontinuity, s equals 5, right? And non-removable discontinuity is s equal -2, right? Because this one actually the vertical asymptote, right? Alright, next one, we need to write the intervals over which the function is continuous, right? So you need to draw the number line. And you're gonna put all candidates on the number line. The first candidate is s equal 5. The second candidate is to be -2, right? So -2 is less than 5. You need to put -2 first, right? And this one 5 right here, right? The left hand side you need to put -infinitive. The right hand side you need to put a positive infinitive, right? Now, in order for the function to be continuous, you need to eliminate the vertical asymptote, right? So you need to eliminate -2. You need to eliminate the whole, which means 5, right? So it's going to be -infinitive to -2, open parenthesis, union -2 to 5, union 5 to positive infinitive, alright? Or you can write like this, -infinitive, positive infinitive, eliminate two values, -2 and 5. In this situation, you need to use the curly bracket, right? So keep that in mind. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember that if you failing to prepare, you're preparing to fail.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine.